As well, I want you to focus your attention over to the MX door kicker. All the way over where I'm standing on top of the landing ground right now. That is 75.3 of pure airtime freestyle motocross craziness. Now the rules with MX is nice and simple. You guys hold the power. The more noise you make, the bigger the trick, the bigger the air, the more death-defying freestyle motocross action these boys are going to rip out. So what do we reckon, guys? Are you ready for the show? Alright, come on! I want to see those hands in the air, Trevor. The more noise you make, the bigger the twist, the bigger the air, and the bigger freestyle action. We are going to break our way. Right at the front. One more time, put your hands together for Mr. Brad Birch and Jazzy down the boys for that time, FMX. Well, I tell you what, the conditions are looking pretty good today. We've got a bit of a wind out there, but I know these boys, they are ready to turn it out here today, Gold Coast. Birchie, how good is it to be back at the Gold Coast Car Show?
Oh, mate, I've been looking forward to this event for a very long time. I was actually down at MotoGP in Phillip Island yesterday, and I had to fly back. I mean, it's definitely not an event I want to miss, so I flew back late last night. I'll fly back down again tonight, so we can stay here for the day. But you guys are just definitely it's one of the only events we get to do on the Gold Coast. We're actually going to do a DC 500 next weekend. But it's a great family-friendly event. We're having a lot of fun. Thanks so much.
Yes, he is a man of the people. Come on, put your hands together, make some noise for Brad Birch, everybody! Literally took that plane last night for MotoGP to come back and perform for you this afternoon. Now, Gold Coast, I've got another very important question. Do you guys want to see some more? What about over this side? Do you guys want to see some more? Alright, you asked for it. Let's get the action started. Alright, the boys, they have done their warm-up jumps. They have done their practice jumps. Now they're going to really rip it out and turn it out for you this afternoon. The conditions are pretty good for some freestyle motocross. But remember, Gold Coast, if you see something you like, you need to make a whole lot of noise. So what do we reckon? Let me hear it! And here it comes in the first rider slot. Give it up, make some noise for Southie! The owner of their time FMX, Birchie, with a massive one-handed ending. Not bad for the boys. I tell you what, they are just eating things up today. The temperature is rising. Yeah, gonna make some noise for Birchie. He's doing a bit of a wheelie on the way past. I tell you what, he's having a really good time. That's my dad joke for today. I'm allowed one per show. Alright, let's get the party going. Let's get it back down. In the first one today. It is Southie. What's he got in store? A massive part of the that boy. Come on, Southie!